Body of Clarendon teacher Natalie Dawkins has been found and 3 suspects are in custody. Jano, all of that and more after this.
Unfortunately, this morning, during an operation in the Sandy Bay area of Clarendon, and based on information received by the police, a decomposed body of a female, which we believe is that of Miss Natalie Dawkins, was discovered. The scene is now being processed, and we hope that during the processing we will get valuable evidential material that will assist us with the investigation.
In times like these, anybody can fall. Judge me, I beg you have mercy upon us all. Coping with this losses, it's so hard to carry on. Burden upon my shoulder, pain in my heart. The news now have good news, any day can be your last.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
This one really shaped me up. I tell you the truth, people. I did that hope for she make it home alive. You see me? I did that hope say everything work out in her favor. I did that hope say she could have just gone back. So Natalie Dawkins, her body, them find. And it's just a sad situation for no say so much females just are dead. You see me? So much females are go missing. So much females are get raped. So much stories. And me not really see the government I do nothing about it. The song I'm play in the intro, it's entitled Pray For Me. And me I tell the people, Jamaica need prayers. And not me alone need prayers. Whole of Jamaica need prayers. The artist named Advi. And one particular part in our song where I want to just highlight the part, yeah. And not really the song we are talking about, you know. But through everything just fit in. And me just want to highlight the part here. Listen to this.
The news now have good news, any day can be your last. Preparing for the worst to come, divided where go fall.
The news not have good news. The news where Chaddy Marie TV I bring from the other day I be a bad news. No good news in night. Nothing funny in night. Be a bad news, but guess what? I know me make the news. Me only bring it towards, you know. The news not have good news. Any day somebody can fall. Remember say I just her car alarm she hear go off, you know. And then she go out the door and nobody no know what happened to her after that. That's still a mystery. What this primary school teacher could have do for them deal with her so? You hear what SSP Fitz Bailey say. Zane, them find her body partially decomposed. Cheese and peas, Jano. Anyway, me just did want to vent before me really like going at the story. Hey, that's why I could turn like a news reporter saying, you know, cause me I get emotional. You see me? The emotions them right now were in a me even doing this YouTube video. Cause I never saw my planet for go. Me forward for just tell you the news as it is and just move on. But my heart can't do that something me people. Me I tell you the truth. And that's why, you know, that's why me no normally come talk about them dead story, you know. But it a go on too much now. We can't just continue turn a blind eye to it. Jano Star. So, Chaddy, get a grip. Try tell the official story. So the headline says, search for missing teacher ends in tragedy. 3 remain in custody in connection to Natalie Dawkins murder. The search for primary school teacher Natalie Dawkins, who had been missing for several days, ended today with a tragic development. The police are reporting that a body they believe to be that of Miss Dawkins was found in Clarendon. Miss Dawkins had been missing since last week. Since yesterday, police investigators had been combing sections of Sandy Bay in search of Natalie Dawkins. Deputy Police Commissioner in charge of crime, Fitzbailey, revealed this afternoon that the search ended in tragedy.
Unfortunately, this morning, during an operation in the Sandy Bay area of Clarendon, and based on information received by the police, a decomposed body of a female, which we believe is that of Miss Natalie Dawkins, was discovered. The scene is now being processed, and we hope that during the processing we will get valuable evidential material that will assist us with the investigation. It is badly decomposed based on what we saw on the ground in terms of the body parts are all over the area of interest. And we saw like female clothing, the skull is separated from the other part of the body, that sort of thing. We are convinced, based on our investigation, that Jeffrey Bedward, who was fatally shot by the police, was at Miss Dawkins' residence within the same period when she went missing after 11 on the 30th of March 2021. And we are also confident that he was in the area where the skeleton remains were discovered. We have secured significant amount of evidence, both scientific and other types of evidence, in support of our investigation. And some of the things I cannot disclose, as you will understand, the nature of the investigation. We are confident also that we will get to the bottom. The motive for the killing of Miss Dawkins, we are confident that we will get to that. The brother of the deceased, that is Bedward, is in custody, and there are two other persons who we believe are persons of interest, and they can assist us with the investigation. You will appreciate the fact that our main objective, we were trying to find Miss Dawkins or her body. So a lot of effort and energy and focus was placed on that. We have recovered the remain, which we believe is her body. We now will get into more of the final points of investigation, details in terms of interviews, etc.
So people, when you hear what the police them plan to do, you see me? And we are hope say them follow through with this. And me I hope say the brother where them killed the other day, Jeff Bedward, that's his name, something like so. I hope say I him for true, You see me? Me just want the justice system work. You know what I mean? I want it work for true. So please, me I beg you know, Fitzbailey and the crew, dot all the I's and cross all the T's. Want to see justice serve, boy. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. And ladies, be safe. The man them too. Wanna hold it down. I'm out.